Hello everyone, here is a video of this GEC late 1990s to early 2000s Bianca series ceiling fan. It's one of the last ones they made. This one has the indent in the blades, which is cool. I've just noticed this imperfection here. That's okay. I got this thing off Facebook Marketplace not too long ago for, I think it was like $20 or something. It's brand new in its box, but the box was all destroyed. They come in the same box as the Hero, just labeled GEC. And it looks like it actually had been water damaged, which is stupid. But I can't change that. The fan's only 50 watts, which is interesting, considering it's one of the last fans GEC made, but the clips allow for us to 60, so yeah. The controller, I was gonna have it on the original controller, but I can't do that because I don't really trust this. It doesn't really look good. So it's all rusted and all that, so it's just on a GEC 1980s Bianca controller, and it actually responds really well. The only issue I've noticed with this fan is on high speed only, it makes this weird noise from the, like maybe the motor or something. I've been trying to work out what it is, but I don't know. It wasn't that loud in the shed, but it was the other day. Oh, not the other day, but when I had an up blast and when I put it in my room, it was really loud. Yes, I do have a couple of other Bianca ceiling fans running. Alright, so let's get started. Starting it off low to high. $50 watts is really powerful. I really do like these fans. It's just unfortunate that this one makes some weird noises on high. I'm going to try and shut the shed door so we might be able to hear it a little bit better if it does start to make those noises. That's only on low. That's pretty fast. So the other one. Mistral ones are always fast. See if you can hear this sound. Probably not. But it's like a very faint, like from the bearing, maybe. I don't know. Either way, that's low speed. I haven't actually tried all the speeds, but I can't imagine them being rubbish. Motor is slightly off, I think. They're quite fast. Oh, the box fell over. Let's put that on medium. It's alright speed. It's designed for a 3-speed controller, but it doesn't matter. There's the Bianca over there. Doesn't really flicker in here, although a lot of shadow. That's interesting. I do need to put a light up there maybe or something, or over here, something like that. I'll get around to it eventually. Okay, 4. Let's see if we can hear that noise yet. No, just the bearings. Maybe it was the bearings, I really don't know. Now put it on high, see if we can hear it. Yeah, I can. Zzz. I have no idea what that noise is. Like a buzz sort of noise. If that makes any sense. Let's see if it goes away. Let's switch it back to speed 4. It's gone. Oh no. Alright, thanks for watching.